Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit, my host on Intellect. Digest. In this video, we'll be unboxing and giving you a quick hands-on experience of the new tablet from Samsung called the Tab S4. So without further ado, let's get started. Opening the box, the first thing we get is the tablet itself, then we get the all new S Pen stylus to go with it. Then we have a SIM ejector tool, some extra S Pen tips, a Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, and an adaptive fast charger for super fast charging of this tablet. Putting all that aside, the new Tab S4 gets a really nice glass sandwich design which blends beautifully along the edges. On the front we have a 10.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1600 x 2560 pixels. The display also has S Pen support and is shipped with own S Pen, which can be a great tool for creative and corporate professionals. On the front we also get an 8-megapixel selfie camera and some sensors. On top we have 2 speakers and a noise cancellation microphone. On the right we get a power button, volume rockers, primary microphone and a tray which accepts one micro SD card and one SIM card. On the left we get a magnetic connector which lets you connect a native keyboard case which you can purchase separately. On the bottom there is a Type-C USB connector, 3.5mm headphone jack and another pair of stereo speakers. Flipping to the back we have a 13-megapixel rear camera with LED flash, Samsung and AKG branding towards the bottom side. Talking about the specifications, it has a Snapdragon 835 chipset with 4GB of RAM, 64GB of onboard storage. The storage can be expanded up to 256 by using a micro SD card. It weighs around 483 grams and it has a large 7300 mAh battery which should be good for one full day of usage. After using this tablet for some time, here are our impressions about this device. It has a really nice display for multimedia consumption. The S Pen works well as the performance of the tablet is satisfactory. The best part about S Pen and all of the Samsung's native application is that they are designed keeping in mind the different type of users that may lay their hands on this tablet. I agree that it has an older Snapdragon 835 chipset with 4GB of RAM, but it should be good for a couple of years because of the processing capabilities. Samsung DeX is also available for this tablet and is now easier to use with a Type-C to HDMI adapter. Overall, it's a great device for people who love consuming content on the go and for creative professionals who can take advantage of the accurate S Pen stylus. It is also suitable for people who have small kids in the family because it can be a good learning and creativity tool. If you like this device, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section below where you can get one for yourself. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below, stay subscribed and don't forget to press the bell notification icon to get the latest video updates as soon as we publish them. This is all we have on this video. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Have a good day.